Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about our relatives who fought in the War of 1812. The anniversary of the War of 1812 is actually coming up, so I thought you guys might want to know about your ancestors who fought in the War of 1812, and FamilySearch currently at the moment has it on its home page. So once you sign into FamilySearch, this is what the home page looks like. You have like recommended tasks, people you've recently viewed, and then pictures that people have recently uploaded, and then right here is activities you can do, such as find your relatives who were part of the War of 1812, celebrate your ancestors, so this is like they're letting you know when your ancestors' birthdays are. I will be doing a video on this, and I will link that video in the description box below if I remember. And then next, ever wonder where you got your looks from? So they're just little activities. So you can click right here and find out if you have any relatives who fought in the War of 1812. So let's click find out. So if this isn't right here on the home page to find out if you have ancestors who fought in the War of 1812, you can just come up here and go familysearch.org/campaign /War of 1812. Look, it's right there. Well, bam. And it'll take you right here to finding your relatives who fought in the War of 1812. So up here in the top is your list of relatives who fought. I would assume if you had more relatives who fought during the war, there would be little arrows right here or right here, you know. Just click right here or right here, and then you could scroll through. But I don't have very many on my family tree. So in my family tree, I only have these 3 males who fought in the War of 1812. Underneath their names, you can see what their job title or rank was during the war. So John here was a captain. And then over here, the other John was a private, and Christian was a private. So, yeah. So underneath their rank, you can actually view their pension record. So let's click on that. Now they brought you to Fold 3, and Fold 3 is a website that lists military records. That's pretty much all they have, is anything and everything you would want military record wise. So if you want to do military records, I recommend going to Fold 3. I haven't done a video on Fold 3. I would like to in the future. I just haven't done it yet. Oh, he really doesn't have much on his record. We have John, his name, his service. That's it. Wow. Let's go look at somebody else's. Okay, let's look at Christian's. Oh, this one's typed. That's nice. Okay, so we have Christian. He was a private. His numbers. Bounty land. He enlisted, and when he was discharged, oh, he wasn't part of the war for very long. His remarks, his residency, his wife, when he married his wife. This is more full than John was. And it's typed, which is really nice. So this is kind of what a pension record looks like. You can also sometimes click through and see other records. So service pension. Cool. The active February 14th, 1871. Not exactly sure what this record is. Been interesting. So you can just click this arrow and bring a drop down box and see how many records they have and go and click on any record. So you can go to page like 33. Yep, Christian Foster. These are definitely all his. Or you can just click on the arrows and just keep going through the pages. Then you have a film strip where you can view all the pages and keep going through. Click on the film strip, it'll hide the film strip. Show information. So if you can't read cursive, you can click on the little I and it will bring up the indexed type version of what the record says. That's nice. I make it go away. Plus to zoom in. Minus to zoom out. Fit to window. Fit to window. Brightness and contrast. That really doesn't work very much, does it? Oop, maybe it does. You just have to let go. Yep, that works. You just have to let go. Okay. That. Flip the image if you want to look at it from a different angle. Full screen. Not full screen. Then if you have any questions, go to the question mark. Tools. Says find an image, download the image, print, add to memory, share. Then this is add a notation or a comment, add a bookmark. I would believe these would be add a comment or a bookmark to Fold 3, not onto FamilySearch. It's probably same with the add to memorial. Would probably be on the Fold 3 website, more than likely. Then if you come over here to your left top hand corner, you can save to Ancestry.com because Ancestry and Fold 3 have a partnership. And that's pretty much everything for this Fold 3 section. That was kind of cool and fun. So let's go back to the War of 1812. Underneath viewing the pension records, we have view relationships. So you just click on that. Bring up you here at the bottom, and then you just click and drag. And then you can climb your family tree to figure out where on your family tree you relate to this person. Christian Foster looks like a distant cousin. So, yeah. Then underneath the relatives who fought in the War of 1812, you can scroll down and it will actually give you information about the War of 1812 in case you didn't learn that in history class. The war declared by U.S. Was declared on June 18th of 1812 by President James Madison. Then we have the siege on Fort Minnick. Little information about the siege and a picture of the fort, which is actually kind of cool. Then the Battle of Lake Erie, you can go to that White House being burned, Star Spangled Banner, Battle of New Orleans, and inspired U.S. patriotism. There's really not that much information on each one of these sections. It just gives you a little brief information. Then underneath that, discover your relatives who fought in the Second War of Independence. So this is pretty much just saying that, hey, you will want to look at these pension records because they actually might give you information about family members, relatives, birth, marriage, and death places. So once again, this is why we do indexing or connect sources to our ancestors, is you never know where you're going to find the information of when birth, marriages, death, relatives' names. You'll never know where you're going to find them. So always connect sources because you can randomly find new information there. So this is pretty much the section on FamilySearch of the War of 1812. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys learned more about your ancestors who fought in the War of 1812, especially before the anniversary that's coming up here soon. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Also, if you have any suggestions on what else I should film, please also comment below. And I hope you guys all have a beautiful week. Bye!